In order to sign up for a check-in time, you must log into your MyHousing account and scroll down to the Assignments section. In here, you must click on Fall 2020 and you will see your sign-up selection below. Please read this important information to help you with this process, and when you are ready, go to the drop-down menu and select a time to check in. Once you pick a time, you must click Update My Time in order to reserve that slot. If you're not able to select a time or would like to change a time, you can return to this drop-down menu while it is open and pick a different time slot and update. Please note that after the deadline passes, you will not be able to update your time again, and that you will be committing to arriving at that specific moment. Please refer to the Arrival Information website for additional information. If you have any questions about how to use MyHousing for specific processes, please review our other tutorials, or you can also email us at livingoncampus@uconn.edu. Thank you.